The familiar railroad crossing crossbucks, a reflectorized sign mounted 9 foot high on a pole, designed to be a warning signal, cautioning motorists to examine the track in both directions before crossing. Instead of a danger warning, this sign in reality represents an annoying bump in the road to most drivers. Sadly, the result is an average of 15 accidents and 2 fatalities daily, leading to millions of dollars in accident claims and wasted fuel. Existing lighted crossing signals require insulating and resetting great lengths of track, expensive high-voltage transformers, relays, and batteries for backup systems. Lengthy wiring for permanent AC power and drainage systems also contribute to a typical price tag that is upwards of $150,000. Clearly, a practical, low-cost system that alerts traffic to an approaching train is long overdue. Introducing the EVA Railroad Crossing Alert System. It is an extremely efficient, low-voltage, lighted signal system. Solar charged and battery powered, this self-contained, low-cost signal can be installed anywhere. 9 feet up on our 15-foot pole is the standard recognized crossbuck, protected by 1/2 inch Lexan, a bullet-resistant plastic. EVA's crossbuck, for the first time in railroad history, is animated with red flashing light tubes. Atop the pole is a set of 4.5 million candle power strobe lights, alerting oncoming traffic even in the worst terrain and weather conditions of an approaching train. Just below the strobes is a set of 6 sequentially chasing yellow halogen lamps to indicate the approaching train's direction of travel. For a greater understanding of system operation, we have enclosed data sheets with this video. This is a driver's eye view of a typical crossing in daylight. You can see the crossbuck, but it does not tell you if a train is coming. Now the same crossing with the EVA signal system on guard. Maybe you're pondering the day's events, listening to the radio or chatting on the cellular, and the train is hidden by environmental conditions. The EVA system is eye-catching, to say the least. At night, this crossing, in its present state, becomes much more dangerous. You can see the inanimate crossbuck, under the cover of darkness, does not warn the driver that within seconds disaster could strike. By comparison, the EVA signal bombards the driver well in advance with a brilliant visual warning, instantly commanding attention to the life-threatening condition ahead. Today, over 107,000 such unprotected crossings exist, and many more private crossings. Accidents at these sites are frighteningly common. Fatalities are staggering. EVA signals will save time, fuel, money, and above all, lives. Maybe even yours.